morning, dear friends. Today in EVS class, we are going to discuss about we need water. So friends, why we need water? So friends, let's discuss about why we need water. We need water. We cannot live without water. We drink water every day. We use water when we bath. We use it for cooking. We wash clothes in water. We use water to keep our house clean. Plants and animals also need water. Animals drink and bathe in water. Bathing in water keeps them cool. Many animals and plants live in water. Plants need water to live and grow. In this picture, how is water being used in different ways? Watering the plants. Fetch water in pot. Washing clothes. Animals bathing. Animals drinking and drinking too. Water comes to us as rain. Rain fills river, lakes and ponds. This water is cleaned or made pure. Then we get it through pipes and taps at home. Water we drink must be clean. Dirty water can make us ill. In many places, people do not get water from taps. Women often walk long distances and fetch water in pots. Water is very important to people, plants and animals. We must not waste. We must also not make it dirty. Good water habits. Do not waste water. Do not make it dirty. Do not drink dirty water. Let's solve some questions. Give reason of the following one has been done for you. People need water to drink, to cook. Animals need water to drink and bathe. Plants need water to live and grow. Answer the following questions. Where does water come from? Water comes from rains. Our next question is, why do we need water? Our answer is, we need water to drink, bathe, cooking, washing clothes, etc. Our next question is, what happens if we drink dirty water? Our answer is, dirty water can make us ill. Our next question is, why must we not waste water? Our answer is, water is very important to people, plants and animals. Our next question is, why do animals need water? Our answer is, animals need water to drink and bathe. Our next question is, why is water important? Our answer is, water is important because all living things need water to live. Our next question is, what are the different sources of water? Our answer is, the different sources of water are rain, lakes, rivers, ponds, sea and oceans. Our next question is, name the different use of water. Our answer is, water is used for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, cooking and watering the plants. Our next question is, what is rainwater harvesting? Our answer is rainwater harvesting means to save water for later use. Our next question is fill in the blanks. Circle the correct answer. River water is clean. Our next question is boiling of water kills germs. Our next question is rainwater is natural source of water. Our next question is there can be no life without water. Our next question is state true or false. Number 1 is always drink clean water. Is right. Our next question is wash your car every day with clean water. Is wrong. Our next question is sea water is salty. Is right. Our next question is leave the tap open while brushing your teeth. Is wrong. Our next question is life is possible without water. Is wrong.